CHZ very all plans and purposes faces opposition at 20 cents, which essentially is very critical. CHZ down roughly 6.02% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, which basically is very critical, which is very huge. CHZ, USD pair exchanging underneath the MA, which truly is very critical. Chiliz explicitly certainly shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, showing how CHZ, USD pair exchanging beneath the MA, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Chiliz cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these as often as possible. By and large sought clarification on some pressing issues. What especially is momentary cost expectation for Chiliz. For the most part truly is CHZ a genuinely wise speculation, which certainly is very critical. Chiliz support and opposition levels and so on in a quite large manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging sort of profound into the CHZ specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us truly discuss the essentially current economic situations, which by and large is very critical. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part really whole cryptographic money market to $1.154,329,028,372 by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. The really complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $44,480,359,250 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33% in a significant manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73%, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum has seen a value lessening of 3.36% coming to $1,854.11 during the past 24 hours, which generally is very critical in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16, following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time span, which in every practical sense shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16, following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time span, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the in every practical sense, genuinely local coin of XRP really is somewhere near 3.99 and right now exchanging at 45 cents. Fundamentally further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16, following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time span, which basically generally shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16. Following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time span in an exceptionally large manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting that the kind of all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $44,480,359,250 or so they in a real sense thought in an unobtrusive way. These occasions essentially show that the market by and large is going in a very descending course for truly present moment. Or so they sort of especially thought. Right now, a by and large broad kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that Chiliz shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, showing how CHZ, USD pair exchanging beneath a MA, which generally is genuinely critical in a significant manner. Chiliz backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to by and large distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Kind of additional appearance how CHZ especially faces opposition at 20 cents. Or so they basically thought, which is genuinely huge. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers sort of become commonly more by and large fundamentally dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73% in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which vendors certainly become move truly dynamic and in every practical sense. Prevent the coin's cost from moving Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz in a real sense is at 12 cents, down 6.02% in every practical sense. Recent hours and in every way that really matters, has a value change of 10.22% throughout the week, or so they essentially thought in a truly significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is 74,792,206.00 US dollars, while kind of complete market cap came to $830,154,143 USD, showing how Chiliz support and obstruction levels and so on, which truly is very critical. There for the most part are practically 6,938,646,158 in a real sense are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, which generally is genuinely huge. Chiliz Value Examination CHC Cost Examination for the 22nd of April 2023 inside a kind of everyday time span certainly made sense of underneath, which most certainly shows that similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which dealers in a real sense move really dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from movie Chiliz execution. The cost of Chiliz especially truly is at 12 cents, down 6.02% in the beyond 24 hours and fundamentally has a value change of 10.22% throughout the week, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving truly normal union and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving extremely normal and remarkable moving pretty normal to explicitly examine the future development of the Chiliz, showing how yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the CHC specialized investigation, in every way that really matters, certainly led us by and large discussion about the extremely current economic situations, or so they most certainly thought. The general strength file for CHC coin truly is presently drifting at 28 for 14 days fundamentally normal line, which certainly implies CHC most certainly is an oversold zone and a pattern fundamentally inversion basically is conceivable, showing the way that which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73%, which truly is genuinely critical. The Chiliz explicitly has truly break all its truly upholds levels and things basically in a real sense are not looking most certainly great for the crypto market, which in every practical sense, by and large is genuinely critical. Right now, generally bears in a real sense are in charge of the market and effectively truly take CHC cost beneath the essential help level of 17 cents. By and large further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing that in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $44,480,359,250 or so they especially truly thought. The CHC USD moving pretty normal union and difference pointer by and large is demonstrating a fundamentally present moment in every practical sense. So kind of sort of sign as the MACD line truly is moving beneath essentially signal line which generally implies especially bears very are ruling on the lookout, showing how CHC USD pair exchanging underneath EMA in an unobtrusive way. While CHC's Williams %R pointer basically is at 61.238 for the 14-day time span demonstrating a